The Create File application is used to create new design files using FDOT naming conventions. All FDOT project file delivery and QC processes are based off of following FDOT file naming standards. The Create File application automatically selects the correct drawing template, sets the active layer filter, and will also set the coordinate system for the file. For this training example, I will be creating a new corridor design model. You can start the Create File application from the FDOT menu ribbon. Create File button. It's located on the left side of the FDOT ribbon, or issuing the Create File command from the command line. By default, the Project drop-down will be set to match your working data shortcut folder. To use different projects, you can either drop the selection down or hit Select Project button to browse to a new project. Again, for this example, we're creating a corridor design model. So our discipline will be roadway. Our file group will be roadway design files. Under this, you'll see corridor design model. Once this is selected, under the output file name, you will see a corridor 01.dwg file name. Since this file automatically had a 01 sequence number on the end, that means no corridor design files are already existing inside this project. If there were, it would increment the file name until it got to a file name that has not been used in the project. It's telling you in the output folder which subfolder of the project this file will belong in. If it needs to go in a different folder, you can hit the Browse button and navigate to a different folder. But that folder would still have to be in the project folder. Create File will not let you create files outside of the selected project. The template box shows you which template will be used to create the file, where the template file is coming from, and then the coordinate system drop-down will automatically set the coordinate system if the project ID.xml file exists inside your project. It'll read the first county out of that file and automatically set it. If you need to override, just drop down the drop-down, select the correct or none coordinate system. Once that's complete, press the Create File button. It'll take a moment. What it's doing in the background, it's opening the file, setting the active layer filter, setting the coordinate system, and then you can close or create more files. Notice the next active file that it's ready to create is automatically incremented with the 02 sequence number. And just to verify, now if we look inside the layer manager, we'll see inside our standard layers, DSGNRD is the active layer filter. And if we go over here and look at our design file settings, the coordinate system is already set to North Florida FL83.